Welcome to our SCOPE program. Today we shall zero in to the impact of floods in Kenya, particularly in slum areas, and how they have brought significant challenges to the residents. The devastating floods cost more than 80 billion Kenya shillings in infrastructure damage, according to government spokesman Isaac Mwaura. According to Mwaura, the floods have displaced over 113 households across the country, with Nairobi accounting for the majority of these at 58,000. Meanwhile, the death toll from the floods have risen to 227, with one more person dying in the past days. In Kibra, Africa's largest slum, floods are a recurrent nightmare. Poor drainage infrastructure worsens the situation, leading to contaminated drinking water sources. Our producer Nancy toured Kibra and met Okaka Duncan, a director of a community-based organization which recently helped survivors of floods in Kibra and Mathare slums try to stand their feet again.
Team leader Saidika Organization is a community-based organization located in Nairobi City, sub-county, Mgumuine location. In Kenya, we advocate for rights and safety of all individuals. I want to talk about the recent emergence that is happening in our nation. And us being in slum is not about flood that is facing people from the slum. There's a lot of emergence that people from slums pass through. One of those emergencies, we have been witnessing a lot of fire outbreak, but when the victim are affected, there is no way mechanism that are being supported to journey to make sure that they can go back to normal life. So it has been our mandate to make sure that we journey with the families, we support them, we initiate business to them through our business training program so that they can have sustainable life. So because as a nation, we have been passing through hard time. I think as per reports from the social medias, we have lost around 288 people on flood. So we tackle the flood by organizing the resources from our people, from international community, from local donors, from partners from abroad. They donated to us various products to make sure that we can support the family that are affected. We are glad to share out that we supported most of the family, around 200 households in Kibra. We were able to support them with clothes, mattresses, food, but because most of the families were affected in Mathare, we were able to support around 400 households, but our interests were on those people that are living with disability. Also, we had those people that they got disability out of emergency. They were not disabled. So for us, we are attached to make sure that we're able to support them. So we are still taking care for those families because most of them, they have zero since the flood happened. So even as we are going there last time, they were telling us the school are opening, but now we don't know where we will go.
In conclusion, floods in Kenya's slums have far-reaching consequences, including health hazards, displacement, loss of livelihoods, and psychological trauma. Addressing these challenges require a multifaceted approach, including improved infrastructure and community resilience building initiatives. Until next time, bye-bye. I have been your host, Noel Cynthia Atieno. This program was produced by Nancy Kemunto.
You have been listening to The Scope on the English service of KBC. Until next week, same time, thank you for tuning in.